Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a melody from Fandroid. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this. So this one is really simple to draw. We're gonna start out with her mouth area first. So we're just gonna draw in right in the middle here. Just draw in almost like a W shape. Okay. And then from there we're gonna draw in the mouth. So it's just right underneath here. We're just gonna draw a little U shape. Okay, so once we have that, then we can draw in her eyes. So just come across on the corner here, just come out. And then we're just gonna draw a circle about that size. And then whatever spacing you have here, just try to measure it here and just come across and draw another circle for her other eye. And then I'm gonna add in a little bit of a circle here, and this is gonna be the highlight. And then I'll just shade in around it. So if you're using pencil, you can shade it in as well. Okay, and I think this one's a little bit smaller, so I'm just gonna try to make it a little bit bigger if I can. Okay, so I'll just leave it like that, and then so after this, just come in. We gotta draw in the bracket around the face. So just kind of come up and around the corner of the eye here. Just kind of come up, draw a straight line, and then we're gonna come down. Same thing. Let's draw another line. So we're just kind of bracketing like this first, and then once you have those two lines, we're just gonna draw a semicircle all the way around here. Just kind of closing off the bracket. I know this could be a little bit tricky. All these simple smooth curves are always kind of hard to draw. Okay, and then for her little cheeks here, we're gonna draw in a little circle right on the corner of her eye. And then now we gotta draw in the overall shape. So this part's a little bit tricky too. So here's the middle. And then we're just gonna draw one big curve around it. So just come down here. Okay, so just kind of go over around the corner. So we're gonna dip this back down. And then once you have this curve here, just kind of come down and draw the same curve on the bottom here. Okay, so just do your best. I know this is very tricky. Okay, so once you have that, then we just kind of connect it. Same thing here with this bracket. So we're gonna curve this down and just kind of curve around. Just try to meet up to that corner. All right, and then once you have that, then we can just kind of close this off. So continue this curve, just kind of go all the way around. Okay, so it's almost the opposite curve of this curve up here. Just go all the way around. Okay, so that's the well, we'll finish with the hardest part. So now these little rings on the bottom is a lot easier. So just come down the corner here. You can almost just make two dots, and then we're just gonna connect it with a one curve going up like this. So it's curvier here, and it's kind of flans out and it comes back down. And then once you have that, we're gonna draw in the same curve but on the opposite. So we're drawing it on the bottom instead. Alright, so once you have this, it's almost like a really flat almond shape, right? So then we're gonna draw the inside. So we're just gonna draw in the inside curve and then give a little bit more space in the front. So it should be a little bit thinner back here. Okay, and then there's gonna be one more, and this one is a little bit rounder. Probably the best way to do this, you can make 2 points down here, and then we're gonna come down first. And this one's gonna be a little bit rounder. It's all because of the different perspectives. Okay, and then once you have this curve, we're gonna go up So it's gonna be behind that so we can't see it. Alright, and then once you have that, then we're just gonna draw in the same curve on the inside. And that is it for this melody from Fandroid. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.